Good morning friends, I am Surya Agarwal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is my passion. Today friends, I am going to show you how to grow cardamom from seeds. These are the store-bought seeds. You see, these are the store-bought seeds of cardamom or choti ilaichi, and you should buy a good quality. These are the seeds. Just collect the seeds that must be of good quality, and there must be some little bit of moisture in the seeds. These are the seeds I am collecting, and it takes around 2 months to 3 months to germinate. Choti ilaichi or cardamom is very easy to grow, and I'll tell you, and this is after 2 years of continuous effort I am able to grow this cardamom. And have a look of the video. Take a look of this video how I processed all these seeds 2.5 months back, and I'll come back again. Just take a look of this video what is the exact procedure of growing cardamom from store-bought seeds. Thank you. And I'm showing you how to sow the seeds of cardamom. Just collect the seeds from this cardamom. These are the gray colored seeds, brown gray colored seeds. So after collecting the seeds, these are the brown colored seeds. Here you see deep brown colored seeds. Just remove in plain water, remove the mucin from here, mucilage. Rub it properly. These are the now seeds. Now next what to do is just to take some nitric acid, 3% nitric acid. This is 70% nitric acid. You have to do the 3% nitric acid. So I will be taking around this much is enough. Now what you do is to just mix it here, and range it around 15 minutes. You have to keep them in around 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes I will be showing how you have to do the things. Let it be there for around 15 minutes. Welcome back friends after 15 minutes. So these are the, here you see, now rinsing it properly. I'll be washing it. What next to do is just take some crepe paper here, wrap it, soak it around water, and keep it in polythene pack inside. And keep it for a couple of days. And after a couple of days, I'll show you how the germination is taking place. Just keep watching. I am giving you the updates of this once the seeds are germinated. Just keep watching. Thank you. Welcome back, friends. After 10 days, now I am applying some hydrogen peroxide. This is 6% hydrogen peroxide. How to apply it? Just taking out the seeds. I am removing the garter from here. So I am doing it one hand and one hand in camera. So I am facing some problem. So just see, I am taking out the seeds from here. These have already kept it here for 10 days inside the plastic packet, and now collecting the seeds from here, and I will apply some water here and apply 6% of hydrogen peroxide, 2 parts water, 1 part hydrogen peroxide. So this is, now seeds are ready. I am applying water, 2 part water, and in that I will mix 1 part 6% hydrogen peroxide. So this is the mix, and I will keep it for around 24 hours here. After 24 hours I will be sowing the seeds in proper soil media. Now taking hydrogen peroxide 6%. You can get it from any chemist shop. Hydrogen peroxide, this is 6% hydrogen peroxide. Applying 1 part. Already I have applied 2 part water, 1 part hydrogen peroxide 6%. Now rinse it around for let it soak for around 24 hours, and after 24 hours I will be sowing the seeds. Just have a look how I am doing, and I am stirring it properly. I will be keeping it for 24 hours, and after 24 hours I will be sowing them in the proper soil media the next day. Welcome back, friends. Now see, this is the time to germinate. All are soaked properly. Cardamom seeds and soil mix I am taking here. Coco peat, vermicompost, cow dung compost. Time to water it and let the water soak. After soaking the water, I will be sowing the seeds. These are the seeds. Let the water soak. I will be sowing the seeds. Now time to sprinkle the seeds. Now time to cover with the same soil mix. And now time water it again. And let them soak the water. And after it, I will be keeping it in semi-shade area for a couple of days. Let them germinate, and after germination, I will show you the updates. Keep watching. I will giving you updates. Thank you. Welcome back, friends. Now after 2.5 months, and you see these are the seeds grown here, and beautiful germination around more than 1 inch of height here, and these two are now growing, and many will grow from here. And this is the first time ever on YouTube I am uploading this video how to germinate, and you can germinate it easily in your home. And many people told me that they cannot be germinated, and this way you can germinate this, and you can get these seedlings from here. And one thing I tell you, that you have to take only the ripened seeds, these black colored ripened seeds, and don't take this light brown color. These are immature, these are mature seeds. Only take mature seeds, and you can get, I tell you, it will take around 7 months to get around 6 to 7 inch height. And after 7 months you can transplant it in the month of July, August. You can transplant it in the garden or in your container also. And I tell you, this is the hot and humid climate, and rainfall is around 150 to 400 centimeter of annual rainfall area. You can grow this, and these are easily grown. This is the queen of spices. Just try it and write it in the comments below how you have feared it. And one thing, you have to be patient. You have to wait for 3 months after sowing the seeds, and you have to water it frequently. The soil should be always moist, and that should be kept in semi-shade area. So this is all for growing of this cardamom or elaichi or chota elaichi. So this is all. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to give you a lot about the gardening tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you.